Hi, in this video I'm going to make two filters. They're both active, and one's going to be a high pass filter and one's going to be a low pass filter. And I'm going to use them to modify the sound of this song. So this is the schematic diagram for my low pass filter. You can see it's very simple. I have the input signal coming in here, and then I have it go through a resistor to the inverting input. The non-inverting input is tied to ground, and then in place of the feedback resistor I have this 1 microfarad capacitor. So this is my circuit over here. I have an LM348 op amp, and my signal comes in here on the white line. Currently I'm just playing that right back out on the yellow line. That signal goes through a 470 ohm resistor into the inverting input, and the non-inverting input is just tied to ground. And then in place of my feedback resistor I have a 1 microfarad capacitor, and the output is there. This is the input signal, and you can hear the higher tones. This is the output. And so now I've simply switched the positions of the resistor and the capacitor. So now I have a 470 ohm resistor as the feedback resistor here, and this capacitor is going between the input shown here on the white line and the inverting input. What we're listening now is what's going into the circuit, and I'll move the wire and you can listen to what's coming out. This time what's coming out of the circuit sounds a lot tinnier. And just because it's fun, the third thing that I like to do is pull out the feedback resistor and have students predict what will happen. Generally, students think that if the feedback resistor is gone, then the gain will go away and it will be quiet, but let's see if that pans out. Didn't really work, did it? Do you know why?